Hello friends. So today we are discussing about foundation. A foundation is the element of a structure which connects it to the ground the, and transfers load from the structure to the ground. So basically whatever building or structure will be there that supposed to be erect or construct at the ground level or the ground. So we need a firm and stable support. That is nothing but the foundation. So it is an component or element of a substructure which will be located below the ground level, as you are seeing over here. Then this is the simple type of foundation you are supposed to see over here. Below the ground we excavate in a form of a pit, that is in a rectangular or the square form, and depth will be supposed to be designed on the basis of the load which will be coming on that foundation or this footing. So this is the footing you can see over here. Then again, so here you able to see the bottommost portion, that is the type of a rectangular portion which will be constructed of a concrete, and above there will be a column. Then we will discussing about the different functions or the why the foundation is to be provided. So very first, that is it supports the weight of a superstructure. So in the first unit we discuss about the superstructure and the substructure. So entire superstructure is supported by the substructure, and that is nothing but the foundation. To distribute load of the entire structure over a widespread area to prevent it from any movement. So to avoid the movement, the load of a structure is evenly distributed with the help of this foundation. Again, next function, that is the to distribute load underlying bearing surface uniformly to prevent any unequal settlement of the substructure. So also whatever unequal settlement will be there, that unequal settlement will be evenly distributed with the help of this foundation. Next, it prevents the lateral escape of supporting material. So while the footings or the foundations come across the water table, the soil underneath is supposed to be removed. So to avoid this phenomena, the lateral escape is supposed to be avoided or prevented with the help of this foundation. Next, to increase the stability of the structure as a whole, to prevent it from the sliding or overturning. So as the dam or the bridges are there, so it is also have a footings or the foundations. So to avoid the sliding or overturning, the foundation provides the stability. And the last one, that is to provide a level and firm natural bed for laying masonry. Also we have to construct a load bearing structure. In that case you require the stable and firm surface, that is nothing but the bed that we have previously seen in this slide or in this figure. Then the types of foundation, that is shallow foundation and the deep foundation. So here we seen the two definitions of the shallow foundations. When the foundation is placed immediately below the lowermost part of a structure, immediately placed below the lowermost part of the structure, in such cases it will be called as a shallow foundation. Shallow means the in depth wise it is lesser. Then again, second definition says it can also defined as when the depth of foundation is less than or less than equal to width. The foundation is called as the shallow foundation. Now again, the purpose of the foundation, that is it is used to distribute the load which is coming over it of a structure to a considerable horizontal area. Then the limitations. What are the limitations of this shallow foundation? The load carrying is considerably less as compared with deep foundation, cannot be used under marshy land and made up of groundwater and waterlogged area. So these are the limitations of the shallow foundation. So for today, shallow foundation is up to this is sufficient. We will discuss later part in next lecture. Thank you.